Good morning, everybody. Alright, so we're going to be covering the Unit 4, Week 3 vocabulary for this week's second grade story in the Wonders series. And one of the words in our story this week is common. Say that word with me, common. Something that is common to a group of people is shared by all of them. For example, tag is a common game that children like. What are some common places to go in your neighborhood? Okay, so let's write common on your card, and let's label it Unit 4, Week 3. And just a reminder, as we go through the words this week, pause the video as you need to write the word and the vocabulary. Okay, so the definition, I want you to write something that is shared by all the people of a group. We can also think of it as usual. Okay, another word in this week's selection is costume. Say that word with me, costume. A costume is clothing you wear to look like something or someone else. For example, each actor in the play wore a colorful costume. When else might people wear costumes? Okay, write costume. And on the other side, write clothing you wear to look like something or someone else. The next word in this week's selection is customs. Say that word with me, customs. If a group of people has a custom, they have something they do over and over again. For example, a turkey dinner and a family gathering are Thanksgiving customs. Tell about your holiday customs. Okay, customs. And for the definition, write old habits. Something people do over and over again. Okay. Next word in our selection is favorite. Say that word with me, favorite. Your favorite thing is something you like the best. For example, autumn is our favorite season because we like cool weather best. What is your favorite season? Okay. Favorite. And write best liked. Okay, the next word in our selection is parades. Say that word with me, parades. Parades are large groups of people, including bands, moving through a public place for a special event. For example, our school band marches in town parades. What do you like about parades? Okay, let's write parades on one side and write the definition, large groups of people, including bands, moving through a public place for a special event. Marches to music often happens in parades. Okay, the next word in our selection is surrounded. Say that word with me, surrounded. If something is surrounded by something else, the first thing is closed in on all sides by the second thing. For example, we were surrounded by flowers. How might you travel to a place surrounded by water? Okay. So let's write surrounded. And write the definition. Having something on all sides. The next word on our selection is travels. Say that word with me. Travels. If someone travels to a place, he or she makes a trip there. For example, the car travels along the road. What travels along a track? Travels. And write the definition. Goes someplace. And the final word in this week's selection is wonder. Say that word with me. Wonder. If you wonder about something, you think about it because you are curious about it. For example, I wonder when it will stop raining. What are some things you wonder about? Okay, right, wonder. And for the definition, right, to be curious. Okay, so again, that was the last word for this week's selection. So until next week, I will see you soon.